beat herself. What's up, Sarah? I forgot. Rule number 1, never interrupt the drummer mid-solo.
It wasn't a drum solo, Sam. That was just my warm-up for tonight.
Yeah, of course it was. All right, Miss Metronome. Give us the need-to-knows on shooting in super slow-mo.
All right, okay. So I'm just going to go into my camera, and then I'm just going to scroll across and select the super slow-mo option. And now what you're going to do is you're going to come right up to this symbol. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. So tap the record button in the middle.
Yeah.
Come right up to there and see what happens. You're going to love this.
Yeah, OK. Ear defenders on. I'm ready.
Okay, all right, let's do it.
Wow. OK, now how do I play it back?
So a little video should have come up at the bottom.
Yep.
So just tap that and press play.
Cool. OK, there it is. Wow, it's a jelly symbol.
I know, right? I know. That's what 960 frames per second is all about.
It really is super slow-mo, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. There's another cool thing you can do as well. Go back into camera.
Yeah.
Go into the settings.
Yeah.
And then scroll down until you see the super slow-mo option.
Yeah, got it.
And then you can select multi-take.
OK.
Can you see it?
Yeah, clicked
All right,
on.
cool. So what this is going to allow you to do, it's going to allow you to tap in and out of real-time and slow-mo up to like 20 times in a video. It's awesome.
OK.
Yeah. So press the record button.
Yeah.
And then on the right-hand side, there's the 4 interlocking rings button.
Yeah.
Cool. So just keep tapping that button and see what happens.
I'm so excited about this.
Okay. All right, let's do it.
Drum away. You really are smashing it today. So I'm going to play it back. Whoa, with the music as well.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
That's so cool. So it's like making your own music video.
Totally, totally. I've even made my own music video with it as well. Do you want to see?
What? Yeah.
Yeah, you can play any type of music you want over the top as well. It's amazing.
Okay, cool.
Okay, here, let me just get it up for you. All right. Hope you like it. Check it out. There you go.